Good evening everyone. In this video I am taking a few statement sums of exercise 3.5. Let's come to question number 4, first part. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, the person has to pay rupees 1000. This is one condition. Another one is B student who have to take food for 26 days have to pay rupees 1180 rupees. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So we will start it with let the fixed charges be rupees X and the charges per day rupees Y. Now move according to question. Student A takes food for 20 days and he has to pay rupees 1000. It means the A student have to pay fixed charges X and the person A student A takes food for 20 days means he has to pay 20 Y rupees. It means total charges paid is equal to rupees 1000, right? X is fixed charges and Y is charges per day. So A student has taken food for 20 days. It means total food charges are 20 into Y. So total charges X plus 20Y is equal to 1000. The next condition is B student who takes food for 26 days. Fixed charges, then 26 days 26Y and the student has to pay rupees 1180 rupees. Find the fixed charges and cost of food per day. In this question, what they have asked in first line, form a pair of linear equations in the following problem and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. Any algebraic method means we can use any method, elimination, substitution, or we can use cross multiplication method. In first part I am using elimination method, right? So to solve it by using elimination method, I need coefficient of X, either of X or of Y. Same here, coefficient of X is 1 and here also 1. So no need to multiply with any term. So subtracting 2 from 1, subtracting 20 minus 26 minus 6y and 1000 minus 1180 minus 180. So y is minus 180 upon minus 6. So y is equal to 30. Now putting value of y in equation 1, x plus 20y, y is 30 is equal to 1000, x plus 600 is equal to 1000, then x is equal to 1000 minus 600 is equal to 400. Then in the end you will write your answer. Fixed charges is equal to X, it means rupees 400, right? And charges per day of food is equal to rupees 30. We will mention here of food, right? I am giving you 1 minute to see the complete solution. Now come to next part. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. Find the fraction. See, this question is about fraction. So we will start it with, let the numerator is equal to x. Let numerator is equal to x, denominator is equal to y. So fraction is equal to x over y. Now move according to question. Fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. If 1 is subtracted from the numerator, it becomes 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. 3x minus 3 is equal to y. 3x minus y is equal to 3. First equation. Right? Then second condition is, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. If 8 is added to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 4. 4x is equal to y plus 8. 4x minus y is equal to 8. Second equation. Right? Now in this question I'm using substitution method. Right? You can use any method of your choice. 3x, this 3 is positive, here it will become negative, is equal to y. Now substituting value of y in equation 2. See why I am doing each and every question of this exercise by using different method to revise all the method. In first part I used elimination method, here I am using substitution method. In next one I will use cross multiplication method. 4x, then value of y is 3x minus 3. Keep it in bracket because negative sign is there. Now open this bracket, the sign will be changed, minus minus. 4x minus 3x, it is x is equal to 8 minus 3, x is equal to 5. Right? Then putting value of x in equation 1. 3x is 5 minus y is equal to 3. 15 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3 minus 15. Minus y is equal to minus 12. Then y is equal to 12. So fraction is x over y. This will be your answer. Now come to next part. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, Yash would have scored 50 marks. Two conditions are given here. How many questions were there in the test? So we will assume that Yash answered X questions correctly. question, third part. Let Yash answer X questions correctly and Y questions incorrectly. Now move according to question. First condition is Yash scored 40 marks in a test. It means here it should be equal to 40. Getting 3 marks for each right answer. So 3 marks means it will become 3x, right? And losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. It means total 1 into y, 1y. Losing 1 mark, it means here we will do subtraction. Right? This will become first equation. The next condition is had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer, it means it will become 4x marks, and losing 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, means 2 marks means 2 into y, total 2y marks will be deducted, right? And then Yash would have scored 50 marks. It is equal to 50, right? As I have already told you, in this part I am using cross multiplication method. So for cross multiplication method, we will make right hand side equal to 0. So take it on left hand side. This positive 40 will become negative 40, right? And here also 4x minus 2y minus 50 is equal to 0. Cross multiplication method, you must have to keep this 2, 3, 1, 2 in your mind. X, Y, 1. 2, 3, 1, 2 means second term. 3, third term. 1, first term. 2, first term. Then 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. Then minus 1 into minus 50, it is 50. Keep it in bracket. Then minus 2 into minus 40, it is 80. Minus 40 into 4, it is minus 160. Minus 50 into 3, minus 150. 3 into 2, minus 6. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. So x by 50 minus 80, minus 30. Y by minus 160 plus 150, minus 10. 1 over minus 6 plus 4, it is minus 2. Then x by minus 30 is equal to 1 by minus 2. I am taking first and third one. Y by minus 10 is equal to 1 by minus 2. Then cross multiplication. Minus 2x is equal to minus 30. X is equal to minus 30 upon minus 2. X is equal to 15. Minus 2y is equal to minus 10. Y is equal to minus 10 by minus 2 is equal to 5. Then x is 15 and y is 5. So Yash answered x questions correctly, y questions incorrectly. It means total number of questions. This is what they have asked. How many questions were there in the test? Is equal to x plus y. Right? X is 15 and y is 5 is equal to 20. This will be your answer. Right?